Welcome to Monday. All right.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Still got a lot more days left. Let's let the rain coming in now and starting to get a little heavier over southern and western Maine. We widen the picture out. Look at this. Speaking of wild rod, look at this low, deep low. This time of the year, you start to get these stronger, what we call occluded lows. They've got an occluded front and then a front draped back here. So we've got another round here from now into tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night of periods of heavy rain and some gusty winds. Now, it won't be as strong as our front was on Thursday night, Friday, so just be aware of that. But it is still pretty strong. So tonight we've got some downpours in here, especially along the coastline, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning. Then we get a bit of a break, it looks like, mid-morning tomorrow with just some isolated showers around. Then the second round comes through from the south. Now this is coming right off the Gulf of Maine, so some heavy downpours again, some gusty winds again through tomorrow afternoon. And then the rain starts to concentrate itself over down east Maine. That's why we had the flood watches for down east in northern Maine and not for western Maine, because it looks like they'll get an extended period of time tomorrow night where they're getting rain and the rest of the state is already cleared out. Everybody clears out by Wednesday mid-morning. We're in better shape. It's cool, it's breezy, temperatures in the 50s, and that's kind of how Thursday looks too. So we get more sun in through the middle of the week, but it will be on the cooler side. Rainfall amounts here. The models disagree, as they typically do, but they all agree the bullseye is here. And I'd say this zone could see up to 2.5 inches of rain. West of that zone, I think you're looking at a ½ inch to an inch. So lesser amounts here, bigger amounts over the mid-coast and down east Maine. Again, that's why the flood watch is in effect there. So this upper level low becomes the pattern maker Wednesday and Thursday. It's quiet, it's breezy, it's sunny. And then we're in good shape for the weekend. High pressure builds in, and our overall pattern starts to ridge out. Look at this cool pool of air here on Thursday, and then watch it lift. And we get ridged out for Saturday, Sunday, probably into Monday. This is a good place to be this time of the year. And the Climate Prediction Center has put us in an above average zone, almost well above average, through the end of the month. So that's going to be nice. Just got to get through the rain and the wind, and again, some scattered power outages. You know, we talked about, okay, we did 70,000 out with 44 miles an hour. Probably looking at about 40 miles an hour here, but not as long. So I would guess it'll be a sub 50,000 type situation, but you never know.
You go ahead.
No, you first.
Well, I was going to say, what do we think Sunday's going to feel like with it being 68? If it does stay there, what do we think it's going to feel like?
It's going to be great. What do you mean?
I don't know if it was going to be cool, like super cool or not.
68?
Yeah.
No, that's great.
My only question was, because we just had a big soaking rain,
Yes.
are we worried about more of these big trees falling out of the ground, falling on power lines?
Yes, but like probably in a different area. Down east is going to get another 2 inches. That's a spot. So it might be, instead of CMP, Versant that would be more impacted by this one, as it stands.
Okay, all right, good to know. Keeping an eye on it. Thanks, Keith.